Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Bronco Fast. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the Yukon Denali. We haven't worked on this bad boy in a while. We've been playing with the truck. But today we're going to be doing some of the badge work on the Yukon. So you see that little Denali thing right here? We are going to get rid of the chrome. We are going to put the black one on there. The factory black badging. I wanted to kind of leave that off there, but my wife kind of wants the black lettering. We already changed that here on that other episode that we did. So before we get into today's episode, hit like, hit subscribe, comment below, be part of the team, and we'll get working on getting rid of that badging and starting more of the blackout package. I mean, we do the wheels. I did the fender ornament here, but I do have the black grille and all the pieces that go right here. I've had that for a while, but the biggest thing is it looks great, but unless you do get rid of the chrome here on the window trim, I don't know if it's gonna look right, and I gotta talk to my vinyl guys to be able to get rid of that rest of that chrome. And we'll do it all at once, but I just washed and detailed the car, so let's get this Denali thing off of here. So just to show you, it's right here. So I did wash the car, made sure I got all the dirt off, because we don't wanna do this with a dirty car, just because it'll scratch this as we start taking it off. It's just best that you do it with a nice clean car. And bam, there is the black badging that we will be replacing it with. So I'm going to take a picture of the location of where this is, so that when I take this off, we clean it, get all the rubber off, I'll know exactly where to put it. All right, because I think I'm pretty smart, we will I'm going to take a piece of tape. And I do think I'm smart every once in a while, but my wife reminds me that's not always the case. But just wait with me here. Let me start over. So just wait for me here. So watch this. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little piece of tape here, about the size of the D. I'm gonna put it right here. So that way we know that, boom, that's where the Denali is gonna go. We're also gonna take this, and we are going to put a piece of tape here. So we know exactly where the replacement's gonna go. Bam. Now let's get the heating these up. We're gonna heat them with the heat gun. So we have our heat gun here. We're gonna start heating these letters up. And then I have, you can use fishing line, you can use dental floss to just go behind here and kind of cut that rubber. But I also have some plastic, like squeegee type deals that I can get under there and just pop those out. So that's what I was able to do with the truck. And I did all the black badging on the truck, which came out great. So let's see how this works. We'll get started on it. Now you don't want to go over this don't want it to get too hot, because you don't want to hurt the paint. So we're going to just go back and forth on each letter by letter, and we'll pop them off. Boom, just like that. Pretty easy, right? So now let's get all the letters gone. Now, one thing to keep in mind, I just thought about this, when you're using this, try not to use the vehicle as leverage, because you will scratch your paint. So now that I've got that part up, I'll just get in here like this. Bingo, bongo. Now the question is, I haven't heated this up. I wonder if it will come off. Nope. All right, so what we got here is we have our letters. try to pull off as much as you can, but you can't, it's gonna get sticky. It's crazy. So what I found, really cool, this will go and take all the rubber off. The good thing is, I'll put the link in the comments below, or in the whatever section that is, in the descriptions, so you can get this. It's like a rubber adhesive remover tool. They have a 3M one, but it's like 50 bucks. This thing was $8 or $9 on Amazon, and it works great. I'm gonna show you. It just goes in your drill, and then you're able to just take it off. Now, what I would do first, get a rag, clean around it, right? We wanna make sure there's no sand, there's no grit, there's no anything that could scratch the paint. And we're gonna try to minimize any of that. This car is pretty clean, so we just wanna wipe this down, just, you know, and then we're gonna spray this, or we're gonna just go to town on this thing. Do not go too, don't go too crazy with it. You don't want it to get too hot because it will eat the paint. But if you keep it light and breezy, stop every once in a while, let things cool down a minute, it will be, this is a game changer. Because I used to just do this, and my fingers would hurt, take me hours. This has just changed everything. And every once in a while, I'll spray a little I'll spray a little Goo Gone on there to try to get the remainder off, and I'll show you that. But let's get started. Crazy, right? It's awesome. So we're gonna continue until this is all gone, and then you'll see that final product of that. Well, that's not good. Boom, easy. Crazy, right? It's crazy. Pretty easy, right? It's crazy what it can do. I mean, it's pretty much virtually gone. I'm gonna get a little more Goo Gone, and I'm gonna kind of hit it real quick just to make sure, but we'll love it. Love this tool. And this is just to get the little tiny residual that's left. Pretty awesome, huh? Look at that. Hey guys, reflection. Bam. I mean, it's killer to be able to do that. All right. Now all we have to do is line that up and we'll be good to go. Now, this thing is ultra sticky, like ultra sticky, so just be careful with it. Ooh, check it out. Dang, that looks good. Oh, it's gonna match good. So that's it. That's all you have to do. Pretty simple process. Like I said, I'll put the link to the stuff down below. Maybe some Goo Gone too for you. Make sure to make it easy. I mean, this has taken me all of, I don't know, 5-10 minutes to do the one side, maybe 5-10 to do the other. Probably quicker because I won't be filming and taking you guys along with me, but just wanted to show you it's super easy, super simple if you got the right tools. Don't be afraid to do it because, I mean, shoot, it looks great, right? So, and next up, we're going to be doing the grill and the little valance below it. So stay tuned for that one. That one's going to be, that's gonna be a long video because I got to take the whole front of the car off. I know there is no one else that has actually documented exactly what to do, and I really want to do that for everybody, so stay tuned. It's gonna happen here very soon. And that's it. That's all you got to do. So again, I hope you liked the video. Hit like, hit comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if any problems if you've had, and you know, I'll try to help you as much as I can. But thanks for watching. I hope you had a great time. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Brock, go fast.